What's going on, guys? We got a pack that just landed. Been waiting on this package. It's from Train CBD. Yes, sir. I already know what's in it because I ordered it, but I got a little blessing inside of here, and I cannot wait to try it. Let's check it out. Let's see. So far, I like the packaging. I like how discreet it is. This is the first time I've ordered from a company that the box came in an all black wrap plastic like this, all taped up nice. That way, there I know if the law or postman were to get into it, looking at it, whatever the case may be, I'm gonna know about it. Why? Because they done messed up the plastic. There we go. There we go. I'm excited. Y'all just don't know. Let's see. Oh, need the knife again, maybe? More tape. More tape. Let's see what we got here. First thing that comes up on when I open the box is my notice regarding shipment of hemp. I appreciate that. Nice paper, nice big. There's no mistaking it. Box almost fell. Sorry about that. We'll put this to the side because I don't need it right now. And then we got his card. Train CBD. Hell yeah. Put that right there. Blueberry muffin. Indica hybrid. 34.06%. THCA 31.97%. Delta 9 0.19%. Awesome. This is the sample that Brad told me about. We'll go ahead and check that out in just a minute. And then I went ahead and I got some peanut butter bread that we will be reviewing in another video. That we're going to save for a later time. Alright, y'all. I am going to go ahead and let me open this and show you the bud. Give a big shout out to Brad at Train CBD. You do not have to give me this little sample here, man. I do appreciate it. Oh my god, as soon as I opened up that package, I could smell it. Damn. That smells like a fucking blueberry muffin, alright. Nice trim. Nice trim. Nice pistols on it. Man. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, you crack that open, man, and it smells like a blueberry so bad. There's only one thing to do, guys, and I gotta roll this up. So give me a moment. I'm gonna pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Man, giving this a couple dry pulls. Tastes like a blueberry muffin, real bad. And I'm not even joking. I'm like, for real, like, this tastes like some muffins. on the grind, when I ground it up, opened up that grinder, smelled it, same thing. It was sticky too. The herb was sticky. Then oh, before I even spark it up, while I'm talking, shout out to Brad again for the sample, man. I can't thank you enough. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate it. And go to his website, Flame Train CBD. He's got a 420 special. Put in code 420 and you save 20%. You can't beat that. All right, he's got some top quality shit, man. You're about to find out. Very smooth. Very smooth. Definitely get the blueberry taste. Yeah, blueberry muffins. Just like it says. Just how it's supposed to be. There's nothing more than I hate when I get a strain with a name and it don't taste nothing like it. Or smell like it even. I can't stand that. But with this here, you're ain't win it. I can see what everyone's talking about. This is I've heard about this strain from Flame Train, and I've seen some reviews, and I've on Discord that Jamie A's 420, her Discord there, they talk about it all the time, and I'm glad I got a chance to try it, man. And I will say I like how all this is packaged. Can't smell anything. It's very convenient. I can get down with that. Now, I haven't smoked in at least 3 hours because I knew the package was coming today, and I knew around about what time. So I wanted to make sure I was clear-minded upon this review. Hell yeah. Can definitely start. I'm starting to feel the effects of it. Definitely indica. I can feel my eyes. Good way to tell is to see how this eye's down and this eye's kind of up. That shit means it's working. I can't fake that. That just happens when I get high. Telltale sign. If you ever watch my reviews and I'm talking about something good and you notice my eyes are open both ways, you know I'm bullshitting. Just a little tip. I do honest reviews around here. There goes a cough. Yeah. I had some pain in my neck and shoulders from fibromyalgia. That's starting to lift. Pain in my legs are starting to go away. This is the blissful high. For me, this is good. For someone who's in pain all the time from fibromyalgia and arthritis, this is a blessing. I couldn't thank you enough for sending this over to me to give me the chance and opportunity to try this, to see for myself what medical benefits this has. Any of my subscribers you deal with pain, I'm telling you right now, I can tell when I smoke a strain, I can tell within the first 10 minutes, 5 minutes, if it's going to start working for pain because it doesn't take long. And this stuff's hitting in all the right areas. Resin ring. You see that? That's good shit. Ash is white. I'm glad I smoked it around dinner time because making shepherd's pie tonight, and it's got about maybe 40 minutes, 50 minutes. By the time I get done with this review, uh, my munchies will have kicked in, and I'll be waiting for dinner to be ready. It'll be a good timing. Slow burning, I like that. Oh shit, this is good. I don't know how many times I can say that. Kind of get to the point now where I don't know what to say. But just enjoying it. Even now, we've gotten down to it. It still tastes like blueberry muffins. A little sweet. A little sweet, buttery blueberry muffin. Remember, guys, you can get this at Flame Train CBD. And if you're still here watching, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on my other review that's going to be coming out on peanut butter breath. That's my favorite strain right there next to this. Anything blueberry, I love. Anything blueberry. So far, anyways. But peanut butter breath, that's my shit right there. And I'm so excited to try Flame Train's peanut butter breath because, again, I heard nothing but good things. But I had it in the medical field in Florida, medical marijuana field, and it was fire. It was fire. All right, got it from Gold Farms, and it was good. Tasted like peanut butter. Um, couldn't say nothing better about it. So I'm really happy to try this. I think it was a $45 eighth. And with the code, it was come bust down to 30 something. So that was an awesome deal. I'm faded. Hopefully you guys were smoking with me, or you still are smoking with me. If you are, go ahead and tell me what you're smoking on in the comments. Let me know what you're smoking out of. I love to hear that type of stuff. Let me know if you've tried blueberry muffin from Flame Train or somewhere else. Let me know what you think of it. Every grower is different. Just remember that. Woo. Sheesh. This shit smacks. I hear you guys loud and clear now. We're almost done, guys. Alright, y'all. That's it. I'm glad you guys stuck around, hopefully, and hopefully you listened and liked and subscribed, and I'll see you next time, y'all. Be easy.